Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I am here with the ninth lesson's last part, that is helping hands. And in the previous video, we have learned about different people who help us in our work, like policeman, doctor, sweeper, postman, gardener, carpenter, driver, housekeeper, etc. All these persons help us in our work, isn't it? So they are called as the helping hands. Now let's continue our discussion from here, that is, can you think of any other people who help you every day? Write their names here. So you have to write the people's name other than these people who help you in your work. Okay. Now you're talking. Can you imagine what would happen if these people were not there to help us? So can you imagine, children, if these people were not there in our lives, then what would have happened? Our life would have been very problematic, isn't it? Why? Because every person is required in our society, in our neighborhood, isn't it? If, for example, if you take the example of carpenter, if there was no carpenter, then who would have made the furnitures for us, isn't it? If there was no housekeeper, then who would have taken the care of our house? So just imagine, all of the helping hands are very important in our lives. Why? Because they make our lives very easy and comfortable, isn't it? So every helping hand is important in our lives, isn't it? Now write the correct number in the boxes to match the pictures and the names of some more people who help us in our daily lives. So here options are given. You have to match that with the pictures. Okay, you have to give the numbers. First one is a firefighter. Fire, fire, fightr, fighter. So by looking at the pictures, can you guess who is the firefighter, children? Is he the firefighter, or is she the firefighter, or he? Of course, this is a firefighter. Okay. How they help us means, whenever any building or any house catches the fire, they will come immediately and they'll put off the fire by using the water. Okay. So these are the firefighters. So answer is 1 here. The next is vegetable seller. vegetable, vegetable, seller, seller. So can you guess who is the vegetable seller? Of course, it's very easy to find, isn't it? This one. Why? Because he is sitting with the vegetables, isn't it? So it's very easy to find out this. So answer is 2 here. The next is guard, guard. Guard, guard. So can you guess who is the guard here? Of course, he. Who is the guard? They will protect us from the dangers. Okay. So he is the guard. Next is tailor, tailor. Who is the tailor, children? Of course, he. What they will do? They will stitch our clothes. So answer is 4. Next is nurse, nurse. Of course, the nurse is she. Who is the nurse? Nurse is a person who helps the doctor in the treatment. Okay. Now next is helping from a distance. Now they are here in this paragraph. We are going to learn that there are some person who help us from the distance. We don't know about them, but they help us. How? Let's find out that. Okay. So let's get started. We just met some people around us who make our lives comfortable. There are also others whom we do not get to see or meet very often, 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 but they help us too. So till here, children, we have found that many people help us in our work, and we have seen them, like the postman, gardener, carpenter, driver, housekeeper, policeman, isn't it, doctor. All these are the helping hands we have seen, but there are few other members that we don't know, we don't see them, but they help us indirectly. How? Let's find out. Okay. So joy loves to eat steamed, steamed rice. Joy loves to eat steamed rice. What is the meaning of steamed, children? Steamed means boiled rice. So Joy loves steamed rice, it seems. Okay, he is Joy. Where do we get rice from? The farmer grows the rice that we eat. So the question is, here Joy loves to eat the steamed rice, but he don't know actually from where the rice we are getting. So Answer is the farmer grows the rice that we eat. So do you see farmers daily? Do you meet them? Who is growing your food? Do you know that? No, we don't know, but we will get that indirectly, isn't it? So they are helping us from a distance. We are not seeing them, but they help us indirectly. So they are called as the helping hands from a distance. Okay, so the farmer grows the rice that we eat. So he is a farmer. Who is a farmer? The farmer is a person who grows the crop for us. Okay, who grows the food for us. So the farmer will grows the rice that we eat, isn't it? So now you came to know that the person who help us from a distance is one is farmer. The next is the potter. Potter, potter. The potter makes pots and other things out of clay. So when you use pot, did you ever imagine that where does the pot come from? Who is helping us in getting the pots? Of course, the potter. Do you see daily the potter they are working for you? No, but they are helping us from a distance, isn't it? So what is the work of the potter? They will make the pots out of the clay. Okay, they use the clay. Clay is a material out of which they make the pots. Okay, so these are the pots. It is made up of clay, and who will make this? Potter. So they are also helping us from a distance. Now next is fisherman. Fisher, fisher, man. So mom cooks tasty fish curry on special days. The fisherman catches fish from seas and rivers. So while eating fish, did you ever imagine from where it is getting? Of course, the fisherman will catch the fish and they will sell to us, and our mother will cook it in a tasty way, isn't it? And it is usually cooked on the special days, and you enjoy it a lot, isn't it? So they are also the helping hands who help us from a distance. We will not see them every day. We do not get to see them every day, but they are also helping hands from a distance. Next is the miner. Miner, miner. We use metals every day. How do we get these metals? The miner digs out these metals from under the ground. So who is the miner, children? Miners are the person who will dig the metal under the ground. Yeah, inside the ground, under the ground, there will be the metals. What is metal actually? Metals are nothing but a hard and sometimes shiny things used to make many things is called as a metal. Like you take our steel, what the plate, steel plate will be there in your home now, you use while eating. So steel is nothing but its type of metal. From where we are getting those metals, actually it will be under the ground. So these are the miners. They will what they will do means they will dig. Okay, they will dig they will dig the ground, and they will find these metals under the ground, and they'll make these things. Okay, and also you take the ornaments like gold. From where we are getting gold, these miners will find out the gold, they will dig it, they will collect the gold, and they will make the jewelry for us. Okay, so these are the helping hands who help us from distance. So do we see them daily? No, we do not get to see them often, but they are helping us from a distance. So next helping hand was miner. So till here you have seen how many people are involved in getting our work done, isn't it? So few are the person whom you will see daily, oftenly, but few we do not get to meet them, isn't it? They are called the helping hands from a distance. Now, can you think of any more people who help us from a distance? Ask that from your parents and find the answers. Okay, now next is it is all about teamwork. TEAM, team, WORK, work. So what is teamwork means, children? For doing any work, we need team. Team means in that there will be more than one people. Okay, a group of people doing work is called as the teamwork. Okay, now look at this picture. It shows how those who help us also depend on each other, talk about in class. So here is the example how all the people are indirectly dependent on each other. Okay, let's find out that. The first one is the farmer grows vegetables. How we get the food and how it is finally thrown in the dustbin. Let's find out that. The first step is the farmer will grows the vegetables. Then what will happen? The vegetable seller, what they will do, they will go to the farmers and they will buy that vegetables. Okay, so the vegetables, then after, vegetable sellers sells them to us, and our parents, they will buy those vegetables from the vegetable seller, and we will cook at home. For example, you can take the chef also. They will get the vegetable from the vegetable seller and they will cook the food. Okay, and who will cook the food? Chef. CHEF, chef. It is not chef, it is chef. So the chef makes tasty vegetables. After that, what will happen? Whatever the waste material will we will get after cooking, we will throw, in the garbage bin. Okay, so, and who will sweep that? The sweeper cleans the garbage afterwards. Okay, so this is how every person is dependent on each other in any work. Okay, what is the meaning of depend? DEPEND, depend means, for example, here only we have taken the example of these farmers. Vegetable seller, she will wait for the farmer to grow the vegetables, then only she will get the vegetables. And chef, he will wait for the vegetable seller to sell the vegetables, and then only he will get the vegetables. Then after cooking, we will wait for the sweepers, and sweeper, they will wait for the garbage, and what they will do, they will sweep the garbage and they will throw in the dustbin. So everyone are dependent on each other. Okay, this is called as the depending. Next, can you think of all the people who work as a team in your school? Of course, you take the example of our KPIS, Knowledge Park International School. Everyone are dependent on each other. Okay, student will depend on teacher, teacher will depend on the in charges will depend on the principal will depend on the director, sir. So everyone are depending on each other, and everyone are together doing a teamwork. That is called as a teamwork. Okay, group of people doing a work is called as the teamwork. So everyone are dependent on each other. To do any job, we need a person. Okay, so these were the helping hands who help us in our work. Well, that's it, children. This was our end of the 9th lesson, that is helping hands, and I hope that it was clear to you all. We'll catch up in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.